Hey everyone, ready to crack the code for business English? It's time to level up your English proficiency skills as we help you get ready to win. Welcome to HIP English. My name is Angela and it's another episode here at HIP English. This is brought to you by Hawkins International Partners, and our goal here for the video series is to help you get ready to win and conquer your TOEIC and TOEFL tests. We're currently doing a video series regarding the TOEIC exams. Today we are on our 7th video where we will be discussing the 4th part of the listening section of the test. For this video, we will focus on talks. Ready to get started? Let's do it! Before we begin, we're hoping that you've already seen the previous videos of the TOEIC listening and reading tests. I'd like to talk about very quickly about the TOEIC listening and reading test. The TOEIC is actually just an acronym. TOEIC stands for the Test of English for International Communication. TOEIC is an international standardized English proficiency exam. It's a business English test or a test on how well you're able to process and understand and use English in a typical workplace scenario. You can use the scores to complete requirements for your employment or university applications. Test score users usually use your score results for assessment, placement, and promotion. The TOEIC listening and reading test is divided into 2 sections. The first part is on the listening exam, and the second part is the reading exam. The first part of the test is the listening section. For this section, all of the questions and answer choices will be played via an audio player. Take note that once the recording has started, test takers are not allowed to leave the room and latecomers will not be allowed to enter anymore. So if you're taking the test online, please make sure you come ahead of your schedule and you attend the orientation. The first few parts of the listening section have already been discussed in the previous videos. If you haven't seen them yet, check out our videos on photographs, question and response, and conversations. For the 4th part in the listening section, we will talk about talks. During this part, there will be several recordings of announcements and advertisements. Each recording will be followed by 3 to 5 questions. The questions will revolve on the topic of the recording as well as the statements you will hear from the speaker. The purpose of talks is to see how well test takers are able to understand spoken English. In the next part of the video, we will do a mock exam on talks. We will be playing 6 recordings with 3 questions each. By the end of the 18th question, we will reveal the right answers. Here is an announcement for questions 1 to 3.
Would all passengers traveling to Tokyo on flight FR3421 please have your boarding passes and passports ready for boarding? Flight FR3421 now boarding at gate 21.
Question number 1. Where is flight FR3421 headed to? Number 2. What do passengers of this flight need to prepare? Question number 3. Which gate is flight FR3421 boarding? Here is an announcement for questions 4 to 6.
Good morning, school. Please listen carefully to these announcements about school uniforms. It is important to respect the school uniform. Please remember, girls shouldn't wear trousers. All girls must wear a purple skirt and you must wear white socks. You shouldn't wear black or gray socks. Boys can wear a pullover under their purple blazer. The pullover must be blue. It can't be gray or purple.
Question number 4. What was the announcement about? Question number 5. What would the girls wear for uniforms? Question number 6. What color should be the pullover that the boys can use as their uniform? Here is an announcement for questions 7 to 9. Question number 7. Where is the recording being played? Number 8. What will happen in the event of an emergency? Number 9. What is not permitted in the auditorium? Here is an advertisement for questions 10 to 12.
For printing solutions that make a difference, it's Minuteman Press, St. Cloud. Minuteman Press is conveniently located 1/2 block from the St. Cloud Library. Free delivery is available. When every minute counts, count on Minuteman Press, St. Cloud.
Question number 10. What was the company offering in the advertisement? Number 11. Where is the store located? Question number 12. What other service do they offer? Here is an advertisement for questions 13 to 15.
Business travel at the speed of your iPhone 8. Is that even possible? Zip around the country in your own helicopter, complete with a licensed pilot and hors d'oeuvres to keep you on top of your game. Get from point A to point B within minutes. Visit charterforbusiness.com to find out about how you can beat the traffic. Need to book that flight right now? Give us a call at 1-822-555-6482. Show up in style and on time. Start flying to your meetings today.
Question number 13. What is the company offering on the advertisement? Question number 14. What is the company's website? Question number 15. What should you do if you want to book the flight right now? Here's an announcement for questions 16 to 18.
This is an announcement for passengers travelling to Amsterdam on flight KL1050. Will all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers travelling with young children please go to gate 6 for boarding. That's all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers travelling with young children go to gate 6 for boarding. Thank you.
Question number 16. Where is the flight going? Question number 17. Other than passengers with express boarding tickets, who else was the announcer giving boarding instructions to? Question number 18. Which gate should passengers with express boarding tickets go to? Let's check out the answers. How many items did you get correct? The best tip that we can offer for this section of the test is that you skim through the questions and answer choices while you're listening to the audio recording. The listening section's talks will have exactly 20 items. Once all the recordings are done, you can now proceed to the reading section of the test. The first part of the reading section is on incomplete sentences. You can check out our previous videos on the listening section, which gives you focus on photographs, question and response, and conversations. You can check out the links in the description. You can also see them at the end of this video. This actually completes the 4 parts of the listening section. Before we end the video, let's just do a recap on a few things that you need to remember. Number 1, come in 30 minutes before your test schedule so you have enough time to prepare and settle down. Number 2, test proctors will be playing an audio recording to instruct you on how to fill out the answer sheet before the actual test starts. If you're taking the online exam, make sure you attend the orientation and you download the appropriate secure browsers. Number 3, shade legibly the letter of your choice. Number 4, read the questions while listening to the audio recording so you don't miss out on details. It's the best time to learn. We've already covered photographs, question and response, conversations, and talks. You're already halfway done. Now you're ready to move forward to the next part of the TOEIC test, which is on the reading section. First up is our video on incomplete sentences. Thank you for joining us in our video today. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hip English, to know more about TOEIC and TOEFL. Turn on the notifications button as well so you know when we've uploaded new videos in this channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in our next video. Like, subscribe, and share so you're ready to win.